Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize iPhone home screen. If you are using any iPhone and you want to customize your iPhone home screen, so let's see how can you do that. So now to do this, you just have to keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen, and here just tap on the edit option at the top left. If you want to move your apps or your icons, so you can do that, or you can also remove some icons from here if you want to remove. Just tap on this minus button here, then tap on delete app or tap on remove. If you want to completely delete or uninstall the app, so you can select delete app. If you want to only remove it from your home screen, so you can also do that from here. Or you can also tap on the edit option at the top left, and here just tap on customize option. If you want to add widgets, so you can add widgets from here. Or if you want to customize your home screen, just tap on customize home screen. And from here, you can customize the feature or the view ones of your app. So just select the default, but I'm gonna select dark here. So it's all of icons will be dark. You can also select clear if you want to get the glossy effect, or you can also select tinted from here, or you can select any color from here in which you want to set. But let's say I'm gonna select clear from here. You can also select the size of your icon. Just select this boxes here, switch between the boxes to select size of your icons. So once I've done, just tap on an empty place and just tap on an empty place again, and your home screen is now ready to use. So in this way you can easily customize your iPhone home screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.